So this is the 742 Remington 30-06 with 2 magazines. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff up at the property, deer season, wanted to talk to you about the 742 Remington. So this magazine here is a factory, probably the original one came with this gun, 742 magazine. This lever here actuates the magazine, if you can see there. So it's got a bolt hold open. And if you've ever tried to operate this bolt hold open on these magazines on this gun, it's not good. The magazines function well as far as feed and everything. I do not care for this lever and stuff. This magazine here, also made by Remington, also marked 30-06, so it's quite a fairly older one, does not have the bolt hold open. See how this is smooth on the back? This is a 760 magazine for a pump. If you would like to simplify your deer hunting, I prefer these mags in that gun, in the 742. They function fine. They are identical. They are both feed well. This will take, and if you've got a 270, you can use a 30-06 mark magazine. There's some other calibers as well, but if it's the long cartridge like a 270 or a 30-06, these magazines, if they're marked for 30-06, will work. And the short magazine's got a block here in the back, and those will work with the 308 and the 243, and they're 6 millimeter, and I'm not sure if that's a long cartridge or a small one. But the simplicity is that this catches the bolt, and then when that catches the bolt, you have to flip this lever, and it does not flip easy to pull the mag out. After you fire your last shot with this mag, the bolt just closes. And if you don't know that you fired 4 shots, you've got other issues. Bolt holds opens are great in military use. No reason to have a bolt hold open device in a sporting rifle. So, all right, so I hope you enjoyed that little short video on the 742 Remington and the 760 Remington. I don't think I'd use a 742 magazine and a 760, but definitely use a 760 magazine and a 742. They work fine, they work beautifully, and they're simple. It's way less struggle changing the magazine out with the 760 mag than the 742 mag. So like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, and God bless you and God bless America.